Today I have Apple's overpriced polishing cloth, and I'm going to unbox this, but mainly compare it to Apple's old cleaning cloth that they used to ship out with their original devices, so the first generation and second generation iPod Touch. We'll take a quick look at that and see if this is worth that crazy price point. Now, I'm also trying to set up this right here. It's a new setup I'm going with to see if I can create videos a little bit easier. So that's mainly what this video is about, but we've got that cleaning cloth here. This is what it looks like inside the box on the back side right here. Not too much to it. Peel it back, open it up, pull it out, and you get this, and you've got your polishing cloth. Actually, it does feel very premium thick. You got the little Apple logo right there, but basically you're getting yourself just a little cloth, and you can see, I guess, compared to my hand here, it's not that big, but it is a little bit thicker than I was expecting. So I'm going to show you just a general cleaning cloth right here compared to Apple's. I mean, this, it's more sturdy than this one. This one's very flimsy. This one has more sturdiness to it. I honestly would not have picked this up myself, but I had something with Apple and they just decided to ship it out to me. So let's open the iPod Touch. This was the second generation iPod Touch. This is where I got started really with iOS devices. So got the iPod Touch, and this is the cleaning cloth that Apple shipped out in the past with this. And you can see right here with the iPod branding on the actual cloth. I thought there was an Apple logo actually. Comparing it to what they have now, this one is much thicker. I mean, I can't even remember what this cost. I think it was like $25 plus tax US for this cleaning cloth. And to be honest, I mean, other than the fact that it's thicker, it doesn't feel like it would be much better than one of these right here, especially this one. It feels very similar to this one. I can't really explain feel to you, but I can tell you that this one's thicker, has your little Apple logo, and if you want to waste $25, that's what you're going to get inside Apple's little polishing container here. So that is Apple's little polishing cloth. I mean, you're going to polish things with it. You got your iPod Touch right here, get some fingerprints on it, polish it off. I mean, this one works just as good. But you know, Apple, gotta make a buck somewhere. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this sort of setup. I'm not happy with it. I really don't like the background here. I'm changing that up, but I mean, it's good for now. I like this portion right here where I can kind of work on this table. I just want a way that I can get in the videos like I used to do in the past. So I'm going to figure something out here. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to purchase one of these Apple cleaning cloths, I strongly recommend, taking a second thought at something else. But you can get them from Apple's website, and they're really expensive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.